Hi guys, Tyler Morris with MarineMax Houston. Today I'm on this brand new 2027 Grady-White 336 Canyon. This particular boat is powered by triple 350 horsepower Yamaha outboards, pushing this boat speeds of 55 plus mile an hour. Nice thing is with the 3 engines, you can get on plane and cruise comfortably with 2 if you do happen to lose one, lose a prop or something like that while out fishing. Just inside of the transom area, you'll see we've got a huge insulated and chilled fish box along the transom, as well as a nice pop-up seat with your bilge access below. You've got your battery access, your raw and freshwater tie-ins right there. You've got your port side dive door, and then as well as on the starboard side, you've got a nice tow kick with rod storage. In front of that, see this particular one is optioned with twin live wells with a prep station in the middle. Got some storage below and another little freshwater shower rinse. Rod holders, knife storage, all that type of stuff. Above that, you'll see this boat does have some nice outriggers on there, as well as your sure shade top that will extend over the back of the boat. Wish I had that out right now. And 5 additional rod holders above that. The helm is a great blank space to rig up your electronics how you like it. What does come on this one is your Yamaha Helm Master with the joystick control, your Bennett trim tabs. This boat does have the Lumar bow thruster, as well as your autopilot control here. You'll see on the port side, you've got your Fusion Audio head unit, little catch basin, as well as the catch basin up top, and cup holders and AC vents. Well, you've got a huge head and cabin space with a berth. It is air conditioned. Over on this back wall, you'll have a microwave behind that cover, and then you'll see there is all your switching and whatnot, and your generator startup. This boat is Seakeeper equipped as well. In front of that, you've got additional JL audio speakers. You've got nice foot controls for your windlass anchor. On the bow, you've got a nice seat for 2 or 3 people. You've got these nice flip back backrests, as well as a full cushion with full fill. These cushions do come off, and then it would turn this into a fantastic kind of casting platform. And then these are nice plumbed boxes as well below here. Once again, my name is Tyler Morris with MarineMax Houston, and if you're looking for a boat just like this, give us a call and we'll be happy to take care of you.